Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Today's the day. Full chaos is here. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. Today's video is sponsored by me, aka by my Patreon. If you'd like to join this beautiful list of wonderful people, I suggest that you click the link in the description or right here and join the Starry Spaniels tier on Patreon. On there, I have exclusive content, early access, ad-free content, and a super special guest my patrons know about. You know who it is. Not to mention experimental content, which I'm too scared to try and experiment with on this YouTube channel. You know what I'm trying to say, you know what it is. And if you don't, join Patreon and you'll know. But like I was saying, today is the day. I've gone full chaos. I was hanging out with my friend at the park. Hey girl. And she said, look at this, and showed me this thing on Amazon. And I immediately bought it in the park. Here it is. It's the TYMO ring hair straightening comb. Not sponsored. I bought this from a park bench with my own money. Depending on the outcome, I will link this in the description box. I got it in the limited edition Sakura color. Sakura no iro, pink. It's limited edition. If you're gonna get it, you should probably go for it now. I love pink. So that's basically all I had to say for the intro. I'm gonna hop in the shower, shampoo the hairs, gonna detangle the hairs, I'm gonna blow out the hairs, and I'll meet you back here. Like and subscribe. All right, I shampooed, I deep conditioned, and I did my blowout. If you haven't seen my blowout routine, click in the upper right hand corner for me, be a peach, thank you. So now this is me unceremoniously unboxing the tool. It is beautiful and interesting, and I'm just gonna jump into it. Of course, I have my heat protectant because we like our hairs on our head. And this is my first pass, first impression. And that's what we call efficiency, honey. So I decided to stop messing around and I parted my hair into my usual sections. You'll notice my hair is extra shiny and filling in. Longtime viewers will know. So I'm going to go in extremely small sections and always use a heat protectant. Going in a slow pass, I'm attempting to get every hair straight in the least amount of passes. With a pep in my step, we're going on to the next section. This is going very well. In fact, my hair is so shiny. Now I did notice that the TYMO was smoking. Some of my shed hairs had come off in the TYMO and were like smoking. So be mindful of that. So this is pretty much exactly what you think it is. I'm just gonna speed up this footage because I find it extremely satisfying to watch. I did manage to burn myself, by the way, so it's not like burn proof if you're a klutz like me. All right, watch this footage. Have fun. It's nighttime now. And let me be the first one to say it, we have reached Mong length, medium approaching long officially. Now guys, I upload on Tuesdays at p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure that you like and subscribe to help me fight the algorithm dragon. What do you think? Should I continue straightening my hair on a regular basis? Anyway, check out my Patreon and I'd love to hear what you guys think. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.